It is July 15th, 2019. I'm super pumped. I finally just got the keys to the property. I've been waiting well over a month to get in. That's gonna be the front unit. This is the back unit. Let's go take a tour.
Here's the front unit.
Monkey! Alright, I got primer on one. I'm not too sure if that is how it's supposed to look. I still have a couple more spots. This is hard work. And since I'm not surfing, I'm in my bathing suit right now. I am so nervous I'm gonna mess this up. We're epoxying the garage. We as in me and Monkey.
How was your date yesterday?
No.
No?
Nope. Nice guy, but no way in hell. What do you think, monks?
It's all your fault.
Priming, painting, laying like an adhesive floor down. Because if I rent this out, I can sleep in here. In the shed. We're still painting. Monkey, what do you think? She is not very entertained.
When they have the walls open and they do the plumbing and everything, take as many pictures as they can and store it. In 10 years, you won't remember where everything is, but it saves you a lot of time.
This is our second night in a row. The first night I slept in a friend's extra bedroom on an air mattress was not comfortable at all, so I actually prefer this. There's Monkey. She just got showered. It's been a very busy, home renovated focused last couple weeks. We are seeing the end. One more week and we'll be moved in. Literally all I do is just clean up after the contractors. My phone is being held by a can or spray bottle of Windex right now. Just all day long, just sweeping away like the woman I am.
Hey!
oasis. Once I kind of saw that the grass was green, I got pretty excited and decided that I'm gonna lay pavers. So first we're having to try to like level it out with DG, and then we're gonna lay an inch of sand over it. And then I personally, yours truly, I'm gonna try my best to lay all the pavers instead of paying someone to do it. Alright, I've only laid like 10. I got about 190 to go. Kind of making this up as I go along. Yeah, so I like the bigger rocks over the tiny pebbles because then they don't get everywhere. And I'm just kind of laying it down. I just had the bathroom contractor completely say that he no longer is going to work on the project, even though they messed up the shower. So that's awesome. So in the meantime, I'm going to finish doing the outdoor patio, so at least I can play with this thing and get some of my frustration out. But it's looking pretty good. So I've just watered everything down to kind of lock in the polymer, I believe is how you say it. After a 2-week disaster, we are almost done.
Almost.
Greg, did you pee and leave the toilet seat up?
It's just man stuff, you know? That's what happens. You got me over here, you're gonna run into some man situations.
So this is the same type of setup, just flip-flopped from the other one.
Tell me